Hello friends, good evening to all of you. I am Sharad Kaur. All are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to learn last topic of the fourth chapter of science part 1, that is effects of electric current. In this chapter we have seen the Joule's law, right hand thumb rule, then Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, alternate current, direct current, in details with the figures in the previous videos, but I deliberately leave the topic of the chapter, that is electric motor and electric generator, because I want to explain these both topics simultaneously to you. That's why you will get it easily. So let's study about electric motor and electric generator. What is mean by electric motor? Electric motor is a such type of device when we provide the electric current in the motor, that motor get in works. Means this motor convert the electric energy into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy means in the mechanical energy. Therefore, electric motor is a such type of device which convert the electrical energy into electrical energy into मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. क्योंकि वो जो डिवाइस है वो डिवाइस घूमता है मीन्स इट गेट्स द वेलोसिटी, एंड वेलोसिटी इज रिलेटेड एनर्जी, दैट इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. बट काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज द पार्ट ऑफ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. देयरफॉर व्हाट इज मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर? इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर इज द सच टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस which converts electric energy into mechanical energy. उसका टोटली अपोजिट फंक्शन इन इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर में. इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर में इसका अपोजिट फंक्शन है. मींस इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इज द सच टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस which converts mechanical energy into electric energy. Mechanical energy into electrical energy or electric energy. Now, generator and motor we will study simultaneously because both many components or many factors in motor and generator are same. If you clearly observe both figures, you will notice that both figures have a strong magnet. Two poles of the magnet, that is north and south. Same in the electric generator, there is also strong magnets, north pole and south pole. Second, ABCD. ABCD is a coil. Coil, it is also called as armature coil. Armature coil is a copper wounded number of turns of copper wire wounded in a iron block, that is called as armature coil. Here is also ABCD is the armature coil. Third common topic of both have carbon brushes. B1 and B2 are called carbon brushes. Only difference here, B1 and B2 in the electrical motor. इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर में B1 and B2 are simultaneous, यानी कि वन सिंक लाइन में वो दोनों कार्बन ब्रशेस अटैच किया है. In electrical generator, B1 is in the upward position and B2 are in the downward position. What is the function of these brushes? वो ब्रशेस का क्या फंक्शन है? These brushes only attach the coil. Whatever the wire, conducting wire जो है वो conducting wire को attaching means make the contact with cell, और जो बैटरी जो सेल है उसको कांटेक्ट के लिए वो ब्रशेस क्या है इंपॉर्टेंस है. देखो, इनिशियली यू शुड राइट द definition of electric motor and electric generator. What is the definition? The device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy is called as electric motor. यहाँ पे the device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called electric generator. Second principle. What is the principle of? Means on which principle electric motor works or on which principle electric generator works. We have seen in the Fleming's left hand rule. Left hand rule में देखा है this thumb, second, or it is also called as index finger, and it is middle finger. When stretch the thumb, index finger and middle finger of left hand in such a way that index finger, thumb and index finger are perpendicular to each other, then middle finger denote the direction of direct current. In this way, when we provide the electric current, when we on the switch, जब हम ये switch on करते हैं तो electric current provided in this way through the positive terminal, and this electric current passes through the brushes, and then at the position of brushes we have a split rings. Split rings है, that split ring half portion is in the upper side and half portion of split rings are in the lower side. Then electric current passes through this wire and it goes in the armature coil. Therefore, armature coil rotates. But always remember, the AB and CD are the sides of the armature coil which are connected or which are in the place in the magnetic field, और which are experiences the forces. वो क्या करते? फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते. देखो, when electric current passes through in this way, ये जो थंब है वो थंब क्या डिनोट करता है? फोर्स ऑफ द कंडक्टर. Therefore, AB side of the coil experiences the forces. ये AB जो साइड है वो AB साइड क्या करते? फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते. इन दिस वे, यहां से ये जो है दिस इंडेक्स फिंगर डिनोट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड दिस थंब डिनोट्स द, दिस थंब मींस दिस AB साइड डिनोट द फोर्स. फोर्स यहां पे मैं राइट करता हूं, AB साइड क्या डिनोट करते हैं? फोर्स डिनोट करते हैं. फोर्स, एंड फोर्स इन शॉर्ट वी राइट हियर सपोज फादर. देन दिस देखो AB साइड जो है, AB साइड फोर्स डिनोट करती है. दिस इंडेक्स फिंगर डिनोट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, और इट बिकॉज फॉर M I write here mother. And this middle finger means ये जो ये ऐसे इन दिस वे प्लेस किया, तो ये जो मिडल फिंगर है वो मिडल फिंगर क्या करता है? direct the position or direct the position of current. Current means C, and C for I write here child. Therefore, remember for electric motor, father, mother, child rule. Father thumb वो डिनोट करता है फोर्स, मदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डिनोट करता है इंडेक्स फिंगर, एंड दो मिडल फिंगर है वो करंट डिनोट करता है मीन चाइल्ड. देयरफॉर इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर वर्क्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फादर, मदर, चाइल्ड. ध्यान में रखने का. अभी देखो, ये AB साइड जब एक्सपीरियंसेस द फोर्स, जब ये AB साइड फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगी मींस मैक्सिमम फोर्स experienced by the AB side, therefore it rotates in upward direction. At the same time, simultaneously CD goes in downward position. But we get only half rotation, because at the half rotation the carbon brushes split away. Carbon brushes, the contact of the carbon brushes with these split rings breaks, and that's why the position or the supply of electric current stops. But remember, according to the laws of inertia, inertia का जो law, inertia of motion जो है, when any object gets motion, although we supply the current, जब फैन मोशन में होगा हमने करंट ऑफ किया, सप्लाई ऑफ किया, इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई ऑफ किया, तो भी फैन क्या करेगा, 1-2 मिनट के लिए घूमता रहेगा, बिकॉज दैट फैन गेट द इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन साइमल्टेनियसली. दिस AB and CD or this armature coil is in the inertia of motion, that's why it rotates. But when it covers the half rotation, again these brushes come in contact with this coil, and again CD side get at the north pole and AB side gets at the south pole, and again they experience the forces and coil rotates. In this way, when the coil rotate, along with the coil, this axle is also rotate, and we get the mechanical energy, means machine works there. This is the working of electric motor. ध्यान में रखने का, electric motor is a device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy. Second, electric motor works on Fleming's left hand rule or father mother child rule. What is by left hand rule? Left hand rule means when we place the electric current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, it experiences the force, and because of that force it rotates. That is the principle of electric motor. Then write the devices one by one. Which are the devices contribute in the electric motor? First one, strong magnet. Second one, armature coil. Third one, split rings. Fourth one, axle, and last one, that is battery and cell. Battery or cell. Now let's see the function of or working of electric generator. Initially you should write the definition of electric generator. Electric generator has again two types, AC generator and DC generator. Remember, the structure of DC generator 99% similar with electric motor. Electric generator, device which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Second, the principle of electric generator works on electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is invented by Michael Faraday. What is the electromagnetic induction? This is the right hand rule. देखो यहाँ पे एटॉम motion of the conductor. When we place the coil or when we place any conductor between changing magnetic field, ये coil है और conductor है. Suppose एक conductor क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पे प्लेस किया, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेट जो है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस कंडक्टर मूव्स बिटवीन स्टेशनरी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. और जब कंडक्टर मूव करेगा, it will induce the current, and that induced current is denoted by this index finger in this way. Suppose जब ये देखो अपर एरो है तो in this way डिनोट करेगा. जब ये डाउनवर्ड एरो होता है तो यहाँ पे डाउनवर्ड एरो के टाइम ये जो थंब है, ये थंब मोशन डिनोट करता है. देयरफॉर इन दिस वे वी गेट द पोजीशन ऑफ द जनरेटर. यहाँ पे देखो जब ये रोटेट करता है, व्हेन कॉइल रोटेट्स, जब ये कॉइल रोटेट्स होता है, it produces the it induces the current, and that induced current is denoted by or experienced by or measured by galvanometer or detected by galvanometer. Galvanometer is a such type of device which find the absence or presence of electric current और इंड्यूस करंट. इंड्यूस करंट फाइंड करने के लिए गैल्वेनोमीटर ये डिवाइस यूज किया जाता है. जब ये गैल्वेनोमीटर में अब जो पॉइंटर है वो पॉइंटर डिफ्लेक्ट होगा, वी विल नोटिस इट क्रिएट द इट इंड्यूस द करंट. देयरफॉर दैट करंट इज यूज्ड, बट for rotating the coil we should use some external factor, like as suppose in hydroelectric power center we have to use the water for rotating the coil. In our thermal power centers we have to use water vapor for rotating the coil, or in wind power center we have to use wind for rotating the coil. Means which factors we have to use for rotating the, because in generator for rotating the coil we have to require external factor. जब ये coil rotate होगा कहाँ पे, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रोटेट होगा तो करंट इंड्यूस होगा, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चेंज होगा तो भी करंट क्या हो सकता है, इंड्यूस हो सकता है। जब करंट की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी, एवरी हाफ पोजीशन, जब डायरेक्शन चेंज होगा तो इट इज एसी जनरेटर, एंड इफ इट इज अ क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन कंटिन्यूली देन देयर इज अ डीसी जनरेटर। ध्यान में रखो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिक current motor and electric generator. You have a question for 5 marks. Explain the structure and working of electric motor or electric generator. You should require the figure. Second, definition of that device, particular device. Third one, you should have to require the principle on which that device works. Fourth one, which are the components necessary in, or which components take parts in the electric motor and electric generator. And last, you should require the function or working, write the working of motor, electric motor or electric generator. This question belongs for 5 marks. राइट डाउन करो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, रिवाइज करो, लर्न करो, ध्यान में रखो, 5 मार्क्स के लिए 100% आ सकता है। थैंक यू।